Hi babes! Welcome back to my channel. For those who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. So today we are doing a Thanksgiving look. So I wanted to do something that was kind of, I don't know, just a little bit more different, playing with colors. Most of the time I usually try to keep it pretty neutral. And I honestly say this is probably the more simpler of the looks that I've done, but nonetheless it is still super beautiful. Yeah, I really wanted to play more with this Morphe Manny palette, and I am definitely not disappointed. It was super easy to do. It really only combined 4 different shadows together, and yeah, like I said, it was just throw some lashes on, and it was, like I said, it was a really simple, easy look. Especially since, you know, Thanksgiving's this year is going to be so different. Yeah, I'm definitely not disappointed at all with this look. So if you want to see how to accomplish this, keep watching. As usual, you know how much I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my videos. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and sharing is caring. So let's get started. Okay babes, so this is the look. I mean, what do we think? I think it's really easy to accomplish. It's definitely something we can use even other than like a Thanksgiving look. I mean, this is full on full, yet it just has like this beautiful like shimmer to it. I mean, it's just like a hint of purple. It definitely has its nice little browns to it. It's just a perfect fall look, and it's definitely something super nice to still gather with the family if that is what you guys are doing for Thanksgiving. Obviously I will be with my family as well. Yeah, I was not disappointed. This was easy to do, it was easy to put together. I don't know how much else I could say about it. I definitely think you can play around with this look even more if you wanted to. You can definitely darken it up, you can definitely make it a lot brighter. It's really kind of your choice. But I mean, overall, I was just so impressed with it. I think it's really fun, and this palette is definitely just one of the start of the inspirations. I think I've created what, 2 looks from it, and they have been so awesome. So I mean, definitely a lot more. This was definitely a fun palette to get, and then to combine with some other older things that I've had. Yeah, so I'm not gonna take too much time, but thank you so much for watching, and for all of you guys, have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I wish nothing but the best for you. So bye for now.